This is our heavy-duty thermal brake lift sliding door, which is a broken bridge system lift sliding door. The maximum size of a single lift can be 3 meters by 3 meters, and the maximum force is 600 kg. It can realize an easy sliding after lifting. It can be lifted locally without moving anymore. In addition, we use isobaric strip to realize a glue-free treatment. All our products are free of glue treatment. We use isobaric strips to realize 3-layer sealing design. The biggest advantage of lift sliding door is its water storage and drainage function. This lift sliding door lift thickness is 7.4 cm, has a great sense of value. At the interface of the two lifts, we use the equal hard strip of polymer wool rope structure to achieve the sealing effect when the two lifts are closed, so as to achieve the best air tightness and water tightness.